Welcome to Ali Toyverse! Yay! Let's go!
This one is YOLO. This one is Violet and YOLO racing car.
I'm a little racing car, beep beep, driving fast and playing in the sun. Watch me zoom along the track, oh boy, racing is so much fun for everyone. Oh yeah!
This one is Violet. This one is white police car.
I'm a little police car rolling on the track. I've got my shiny red and never looking back. I'm always on patrol, helping friends along the way.
This one is pink. This one is black Rap Force car.
I'm the coolest car on the track. Feel the power, there's no looking back. Red lines glowing, watch me go, go, go. Yeah, let's go.
This one is green. This one is blue and black racing car.
I'm the coolest car on the track. Watch me go, there's no looking back. Extreme 49, I'm gonna shine. Racing all day, everything's just fine.
This one is red. This one is red racing car.
I'm a bright red racing car. Watch me go so very far. Number 88 is great. Racing is my favorite state.
These are all the cars. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for more fun color adventures. See you next time. Bye.